Hi guys and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to make food for your hummingbird feeder, and we're going to be using sugar and water. And this is really important in the late summer months as the flowers that they love are fading and they're about to go on their migration path back to the tropical areas, and also in the early spring when those flowers have not fully matured. Do you know how many times per second a hummingbird's wings beat? I'll tell you a little further in the video. Also, I'll have one of my little visitors so you'll see that it actually works. Stay tuned. So we're going to be using a half a cup of sugar, and this is actually a 2-cup measuring cup, and we are going to pour it in, and then you will add your water, and this is going to be all the way up to the top. And this is really a 1-in-4 dilution. This water needs at least to be at room temperature. You can make it warm if you like. If you do make it warm, then of course you'll have to wait for it to cool down before you pour it in the feeder and set it out. So we're going to stir and get the sugar to dissolve. And of course if it's a little warm, then it will dissolve a little more easily. And remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And then we are going to pour it in here. We're going to screw this on. And these feeders, you can actually get them at your local garden center, at your local supply store, or I've even seen them at the dollar store too. So there are different ways that you can get them, and then you hang it. It may take a few days for them to come because if it's a new source, they'll want to make sure it looks safe, and then they definitely will come. And now stay tuned for one of my little visitors so you can see that it does work without you having to put a dye in it, because the red flowers is what really attracts them. And I do thank you so much for watching.